Right. Right. Yeah, I know. I should be working somewhere else, making more money, and not working weekends. Mm-mm. Oh no, because see, like all this record retention stuff that I've been doing, I've done it myself. I have not asked Cherish to do any of it. I told her, and I've told her if you can't find something, just keep looking for it. I've probably just moved it, and I'm not done moving. So, and if you can't find it, leave it on the desk, and I'll look for it when I get back. And I won't tell you to do something that I wouldn't do myself. That's what I always tell them. I won't never tell you to do something that I wouldn't do myself. Yeah. Oh, Walmart would have done fire. Not long at all. And not coming in there. My kids playing basketball. I'm demanding that I be off of all practicing games. Do you work for yourself? You know, but that's what they do is they sugarcoat it to get them on board, and they sugarcoat it through training, and then when they come to somebody like me that's been in my position for 5 years, and I know that we're not getting off for this and we're not getting off for that. If it's possible, it's okay, and things like that. You know, then they get all PO'd and pissed off because they're like, wait a minute, this is not what I was told. Well, I don't know what you was told, but this is the way it runs. Mm-hmm. Well, see, and we've got like managers. We have criteria when we're making the schedule. Technically, everybody's supposed to work every Monday, Friday, and Saturday from open to close. But because of the way the days fall, and there's only 2 of us, and we got to stay in a category, I take it upon myself to bring them in late or let them off early. It's just like she was just complaining Friday about, Wednesday about her kids' daycare. Said something about that they just made a rule where you can't bring your child breakfast into the daycare anymore and then eat that breakfast, that they have to eat what the daycare cooks. And I said, well, that sounds kind of a little raunchy to me. So I took that into consideration when I made the schedule. Guess what? I'm opening the store every morning. So that way she has time to get up and either sit with her daughter and let her eat it, or get up and have time to feed her daughter and take her to school. And if there's any accidents, she's got, she's got time to go and tend to it, or whatever the case may be.
Why don't y'all two sit up? Gamer Paul.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, because usually the kids leave a little after 7 and I go out right behind them. Except on Friday, I'm in before they leave.
You guys really have to come back in here, right?
No, they're not allowed in there.
Why?
Get your ass in there, go. I don't want to see your face.
Well, what y'all don't want to do stuff down there while I'm here? Wow.
Excuse me?
Monday. And just like I told her, Shelby, I